What's up, funding credit for businesses? I'm going to show you exactly how the affiliate manager works in this video over here, just to make life easier. And it's pretty simple. So we have two workflows over here. One to be able to add people as a actual affiliate partner. And then the other workflow is that whenever that partner, alpha credit partner, then refers over a client to you, need to get notified. The partner needs to get notified, and we need to have a proper tagging sequence to make sure that we know who brought that person in. And the affiliate manager will also make sure that we keep track of all revenue, specifically for our partners. With that being said, this is the first workflow that we have, in which case the meeting partner submitted, in which case, whenever somebody submits the partnership funnel, in which case this will be right over partnership acquisition. So when somebody submits this funnel over here, they're going to submit a quick survey onto here. Their survey will automatically trigger the partnership sequence. Hey, new partner added, pretty much, which is right over here. Hey, new partner added, automatically add them to the affiliate campaign and add them to the correct pipeline stage, notifying us of that person, and also making sure that we add a tag on him so we know that this person in our pipeline, in our ecosystem, in our GoHighLevel is an actual partner. That's the first part. And that's when they submit this actual funnel over here, which we just call the partnership acquisition funnel. Once they submit that funnel and they become a partner with us, that person is automatically then added onto our marketing section, our actual affiliate manager. So if I go into here and take a look at the last test that we sent out, go here, go to affiliate manager, and we go to the actual campaign. So this is our partnership acquisition campaign. This is our partnership campaign. If we see this, we have one test over here. If I go into test accounts, we can see that this person brought in this test. So is Sumia, as an example, is the partner. Sumia partner. Sumia partner referred over Again Rock. Again Rock is a good client, So when Again Rock comes in from this partner, so example, each partner gets their own self sign up funnel. This is their link over here. Okay. So this is like a funding funnel tied to their unique ideal at the end over here. So when assuming a partner sends this funnel out to a referral, this person fills out this form over here. And what it does, it's going to automatically activate this workflow over here, which naturally will add them on to the new lead nurture campaign. But it will also notify you that, hey, partner, partner, whatever this dynamic thing is, Sumia task partner referred over this client, Ron Burgundy, whatever. And it also, of course, sends out a notification to the team that, hey, this partner over here, boom, the partner name referred over this referral, which is their referral name, email, and phone number, automatically adding it to the campaign so that we can keep track of it through here. And then, for example, like let's say you want to cash up, let's say, for example, you want to cash up Sumia, the partner, for bringing in this lead over here. Well, very, very simple. You just go over to here, add manual commission, and then boom, you add to our partner whatever commission that we want to give it to them. Let's say this person closed and it's $1,000 deal as an example. We want to give 10% commission. It's $100. So because Sumia testing partner referred over this referral Again Rock, we're going to send over a 10% commission, being $100 with $1,000 deal. Boom. And whenever a dent they want to track, event ID doesn't really matter. The point I want to make note is that these people are going to have their own affiliate dashboard. This is what it's going to look like over here is their own affiliate dashboard. Let me do random password, one exclamation mark, whatever. So now each partner is able to log into the GoHighLevel account if it shows it went right, and they're able to see all the people that they referred over and the money that they generated as well too, just to make life a little bit easier here. Cool. So example over here, I got 2 clicks, and these are the leads / customers that we referred. Once we manually add a commission from this lead on our backend over here, hey, this lead now became a client. I want to make sure I cash up this partner Sumia test. Once we add this manual commission onto it of example, $100, 10% of $1,000 credit repair product, boom. Now it would show that this lead generated $100 for me, and also kind of gamifies as well too. This in combination with the community allows us to be able to, the entire community, to see the high scores of people, how much people publicly referred over, how much these people make, kind of gamifies it so that people can also beat other people and just refer over more clients to your business. Really build out a huge affiliate empire through there. But yeah, that's exactly how this works for your credit and funding business using GoHighLevel, made super simple, made super easy. God bless. If you have any questions on this, let us know. Peace.